Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to join a Telegram group with QR code. So what you need to do is, if you have Telegram, just make sure that it is updated. So to do that, you just need to head over to Play Store, search for Telegram, and as you can see here, my Telegram is not updated, so I need to update that. So click on update and it will update for some time. Once it's done installing, I just need to open it and now it's done installing. So to join a Telegram group with QR code, you need to have the QR code for that group. So in here on my gallery, I have here the QR code for a channel. So this QR code is good to join the channel. So what you need to do to join the specific group or channel, you just need to have a built-in QR code reader for your phone. And if you don't have that, you can head over again to Play Store and search for QR code reader or scanner, whatever works. And there's a lot of options here, right? You can click any of them. So I will choose this and wait for this to install and download. Once it's done, I just need to open it and allow some permissions. And as you can see here, it can scan through my phone camera, but I can also upload an existing QR code using this icon here. This will open my Photos app and I can choose the photo with the QR code in there. And as you can see, it already read my link on the QR code. And to join the channel, I just need to click this. It will redirect me to Chrome. And Chrome will redirect me to Telegram. And this is now the channel, and I can now join this channel by clicking the join here. So joining a channel is with the QR code is equivalent to joining a group. There are the same steps and they both work the same way. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.